I just love to have children around me. You understand me? I cannot be alone. I want to have children around me. I rather know say I give them something to eat and I do without. If me did really have it, I want to make a big mansion for them and take them in and see if I can get help just to help them. And I am foster caring for 16 years. One Sabbath I come from church and I was lying down on my veranda and like I was sleeping and then like I hear a voice say, visit the children home. And when I went there I saw a little girl and the little girl called me and said to me, say, you is my mother? And I say, yes. Start visit her, care things to her. When me go now, the ladies for the home said to me, say, why you don't take her? I said, I cannot take her. She said, yes, I want to tell you how you can take her. Went up to the office and explain and tell them, so you identify a child. We start with the girl about in November, and by January, I get the little girl. Till now, Miss Brown called me next time and said, Mr. Michael, we have a little boy here. Can you take care of him? He is 4-year-old, but him look like 2. And I said, okay, Miss Brown, I will take him. Even when I sit down here, sometimes I see some of them pass. My heart goes out for them. I end up fostering 3, 2 boys and a girl. I got pregnant in my younger age and it's going my wrong too. And the doctor have to do an operation, either the child or my life. Might be true I don't have any of my own, it just take my mind off what happened to me. I just love to have children around me. You understand me? I cannot be alone. I want to have children around me. Long time me doing this. From me living in Kingston. By doing a park, I used to sell right. And this by doing a park plaza till me move and me reach in Spanish Town. The church helped me and get a little something from the government. Sometimes I with the woman and say, Lord, I don't have the money. And quick time, me and my husband come with something because him hustle to him go out and sell on Sunday day. My favorite moment is when my birthday and them surprise me. Yeah, when my birthday, like my birthday, I will come the 28th, you know. Excitement. Things coming at the house and I don't know. I don't know. And when them start dress me up and when me look, me see all different kind of things. You understand? My big excitement, my birthday.